Grape bunch tutorial. Make 6 2-finger single bubbles. Tie off the neck securely after inflating. Next, make 9 more single bubbles. Twist and secure 9 single bubbles together. Overlap with the single bubble from step 1. Twist the 3 single bubbles at the bottom of the large loop together. Make 5 more single bubbles. Wrap and secure around. Tuck 5 single bubbles into the center gap. Adjust the shape of the grape. The grape cluster is now complete. Make 3 3-finger loop twists using a green 260 balloon. Push the air to the back to form a handle. Secure the grape cluster between 3 loop bubbles. And there you have it, a cute little grape all done.